Welcome back. Before we take a look at the day's business news, let's take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. In an initiative to support the Dubai 2020 tourism vision, Majid Al Futtaim Holding has announced major plans to invest 3 billion dirhams on extending and enhancing its Dubai businesses over the next 5 years. The plans include 2 new hotel developments, upgrading 2 existing hotels, enhancements to its flagship mall of the Emirates and Dira City Centre shopping malls, opening 4 new Carrefour supermarkets and 2 new hypermarkets, as well as building a new 14-screen cinema complex. The company is also evaluating options for the development of a new 50-store community mall in a prime residential area of Dubai. The investment program reflects the return to growth of the Dubai market and of the UAE economy, which is expected to achieve 3.6% GDP growth this year. It also highlights the company's significant contribution to Dubai's tourism sector. Iyad Malas, CEO of Majid Al Futtaim Holding, was quoted as saying that they are investing now to ensure that the company's facilities are enhanced and expanded in order to meet the future demand of customers, adding that they have recorded an 11% growth in the number of people visiting their Dubai malls in 2013. One of the highlights of the announcement will be a 930 million dirham extension to the Mall of the Emirates, the first phase of which will be a new 100 million dirham fashion district dedicated to contemporary apparel. And Aldar Properties and Miras Holding have launched a new hotel brand called Dubai Inn in an effort to target the affordable travel segment. The hotels will be located in several locations around the city, further supporting the Dubai Tourism Vision 2020 announced by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai. Mohammed Al Abbar, chairman of Aldar Properties, was quoted as saying that the new hotels would create a new experience whose highlight is affordable elegance, adding that one of the key drivers to achieving the Dubai Tourism Vision 2020 to double the number of annual tourists to 20 million by the turn of the decade is to offer a wider choice of affordable hotels that appeal to the new generation of travellers. Today, 5-star hotel rooms account for nearly 62% of the total branded hotel inventory in the city. In the supply pipeline of over 42,000 hotel rooms in Dubai, nearly 50% are in the luxury and upper upscale segments. And shares in the newly merged Aldar Properties and Suruh Real Estate can now be traded on the Abu Dhabi Exchange for the first time after the merger of the 2 real estate companies became effective at the close of trade on June the 27th. The new merged company will operate under the name of Aldar Properties. Suruh has been dissolved and its assets and liabilities have been transferred to Aldar, according to a statement released to the Abu Dhabi Bourse. Abu Bakr Siddiq Al Khouri, the new chairman of Aldar Properties, was quoted in a local daily as saying that operating under the name Aldar Properties, the business is one of the biggest real estate developers in the region, adding that the company benefits from a strong balance sheet, a large asset base, a prime land bank for development, and an experienced management team. The company also said it had negotiated an amendment to the terms and conditions of a 2.1 billion dirham Suruh loan facility signed in June 2010.